I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to organize your photos on your iPhone by creating a photo album. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and like this video so others can find it too. First, you're going to open your Photos app and you're going to select the photos that you want to include in your album or videos. You'll choose the select tool in the top right, and then you can select, let's say, this group of videos. And then you will click the bottom left share tool. You'll have the option to share these photos or videos, but you'll want to scroll down and then tap Add to Album. In this section, you can use one of the auto-generated albums from different apps, or you can click the plus icon on the top right and name this album whatever you'd like. Once you're ready, tap Create, and all of these items will be in that album waiting for you. In order to see your album, scroll down past all of this down to your albums section. You can tap Albums, and then you can see the list of every album that you have either created or has been created by some other app. Now your photos and videos are all organized. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.